Let's bring in our guest who is standing by. Joining us this hour, National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. What a unique situation for those of us here at Court TV. We don't typically see this in the cases that we cover, where it comes back to a new trial, it's in front of a judge, and it's as compelling as this one is, with a witness who has recanted. There's new evidence, according to the defense. Your thoughts, particularly on this agent testifying in the way that he did there at the end?
It was riveting. It was very riveting. I almost lost myself watching that because I was so zoned in. It was riveting. The defense attorney, I didn't see his face in there. Amazing job. I hope I bump into this defense attorney. The way he structured the question, and that was a courtroom dramatic moment. He's going to get a new trial. He's going to get a new trial, if for no other reason, because of that exchange right there. Obviously, the recantation and all the other stuff is going to get him a new trial, but that was riveting. I was mesmerized by it. I'm kind of like a junkie for watching these trials for these reasons. That was a very dramatic moment. The question, the answer, I don't even think that lawyer knew the answer to the question, but he almost didn't care because he knew that he was standing on the hill of right. At the end of the day, Julia, look, there's our system of justice and there's our sense of justice. The two are not the same. Sense of justice comes in here, right? The system of justice could gear up and say, you know what, we're not going to give him a new trial. Some of this evidence could have been uncovered with reasonable diligence, except for the recantation. And the recantation, we don't know if it's correct. Like, the system of justice could find a way to say there's no new trial, but our sense of justice won't. There's no way this young man's not going to get a new trial.
Yeah, I like that. That's two different things. And usually, hopefully, more often than not, the sense of justice does creep into the system appropriately. Yeah. In this case, the gatekeeper is the judge. There's no jury. But I think if this were a jury scenario, that he would be slam dunk new trial. Because when you have a seasoned member of the TBI, as they call it in Tennessee, this guy he's got cop written all over him. You know, career, now retired, looks like, you know, law enforcement dude. And his answer was, yeah, I'm a little concerned, basically.
That he's not sure.
Yeah, he's not sure. And when he's not sure, guess what? Nobody's sure, so we'll see. All right, let's get a break.